The GPIO pin 4 isn't magic. This has been true since episode 2. The GPIO pin 4 equals 0x0010 in hexadecimal, that equals 16 in decimal. But why 16? And what does that number actually do when a sensor changes voltage on that pin? A first quick detour, not a seaport, not an airport, same word borrowed for a general idea, a named point where something crosses a boundary in or out of a system. On STM32, a port is just a named group of pins. GPIOA holds PA0 through PA15. One port, 16 pins, numbered from 0 to 15. PA4, the exact pin this whole series has been blinking. Hardware doesn't think in pin names, it thinks in one 16-bit number. 1 bit for one pin, same order. Bit 4 corresponds to pin 4. That's the whole mapping. GPIO pin 4 is a value with only bit 4 turned on, as you see here. Everything else stays off. Read that binary pattern as a number and you get exactly 16. Not a coincidence, the unique number whose binary form has exactly 1 bit lit, the fourth one. Pin 0, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Each one just shifts which single bit is on, one position further to the left. Pin 0, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Each one just shifts which single bit is on, one position further left. Here's how a read actually works. The real register, what your pins are genuinely high or low right now, gets AND against the GPIO pin 4. Every bit except bit 4 gets forced to 0. Only pin 4's real state survives. See, 1, 1, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 0, 0, 0 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, and so here 1, 0 is 0. And what comes back isn't 16, it's the GPIO pin set or GPIO pin reset. Really just 1 or 0. 16 never travels anywhere as data. It's just a selector used once, thrown away the instant the right bit is isolated. Those flashes just proved something. GPIO pin 4, the exact thing we have been wiring this LED with since episode 2, equals 0x0010, not represents, it equals. Same trick, our own version, speed slow, equals 500, not is like 500, equals. It is the number 500. That's all enum is, a name standing in for a number. All delay doesn't know what a blink speed is. It just wants a number of milliseconds, and that's exactly what it's getting. Change speed slow to speed fast, flash it again, change the name, change which number gets used. That's it. That's the whole trick. The LED is now blinking much faster due to a smaller delay.